In this video, I'll detail how to fix Face ID and passcode missing in settings on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and you discover that your iPhone 12 Pro Max Face ID and passcode is missing, then you cannot change your Face ID or reset your Face ID or change your iPhone 12 Pro Max passcode, then this video is going to walk you through the steps in which you need to recover the Face ID and passcode on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix your iPhone 12 Pro Max Face ID and passcode missing in your iPhone settings, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to screen time and then click on that. Now, once you selected that, scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then under Content and Privacy Restrictions, make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled. So if this is disabled, you'll not be able to fix your iPhone 12 Pro Max Face ID and passcode missing. So go ahead and enable this. Once you enable Content and Privacy Restrictions, then you need to scroll down until you get to Allow Changes to and click on Passcode and Face ID. Now once you selected that, under Passcode and Face ID, if it is set to Don't Allow, make sure you choose Allow. Then go back to the settings page. On settings page, you just need to hang on for a couple of seconds while the Face ID and passcode resurface. So and if it is not coming up anyhow, just close the settings page. Then go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like this, then you can just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you should see the Face ID and passcode available on your iPhone settings. So this I can only fix Face ID and passcode missing in settings on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.